Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Astra key fob. This easy guide will help you replace a dead battery quickly and efficiently. You will only need two simple items: a small, flat blade screwdriver and a fresh CR 2032 3-volt coin battery. This process is straightforward and can save you a trip to the dealership. First, locate the small release button on your key fob, usually found on the side or back. Press this button firmly with your thumb or finger. While holding the button, gently pull out the integrated emergency key blade. This step is crucial as it reveals a slot needed for the next stage of opening the fob. With the emergency key removed, you will see a small slot. Carefully insert the tip of your flat blade screwdriver into this opening. Apply gentle pressure and twist the screwdriver slightly. This action will cause the two halves of the key fob casing to separate. Work slowly to avoid damaging the plastic clips. Once the fob is open, you will see the round CR 2032 battery. Gently pry out the old battery using your screwdriver. Insert the new CR 2032 3-volt battery, ensuring the positive side, marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. Finally, align the two halves of the key fob and press them together until they securely click. Reinsert the emergency key blade until it locks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.